Hi, I'm Lucy Alexander with AIChE, and I'm here today with Mogens Mogensen from Technical University of Denmark. Dr. Mogensen, you're going to be giving a talk today on closing the carbon cycle with air capture. Can you tell me a little bit about what the talk is going to be about?
Yes, I'm opening this workshop with the same title, and it is about taking CO2 out of air and then convert it into green fuel, we call it. It means hydrocarbon of various kinds, and we have the methods. Already we can do it, but the topic of today is to figure out the status and figure out can we do cooperation between Denmark, US, or Europe, US, in order to really promote the process of getting this implemented. So instead of using fossil fuel, we want to use CO2 neutral fuel, what we call green fuels. And in Denmark, we have decided already, the parliament, the government and the parliament have decided that by 2050, then we will be totally free of fossil fuels. And already now we are producing more than a third of our electricity by wind turbines. And in fact, this plan, which sounds very ambitious maybe, and people say it's a long time to 2050. Well, that's true, of course, but we have started many years ago. The Danish energy plan, which is kind of running steady, started already back in the early 80s, and we are investing heavily in more wind power, and we are doing a lot on R&D nowadays on storage, because you need to do storage of renewable energy, otherwise you can't do it, because that's always intermittent. That's by and large what it is about.
Excellent. And what are the goals for today's workshop?
The goal is, first of all, to discuss and learn each other to know and see what kind of connections we can make in order to make more efficient projects where we can start cooperation. And of course, from Danish side, we have the also kind of ambitious goal that we would like to convince, especially the Americans, who pollute so much with CO2, that we are now close to having technologies which can be affordable. We have the technologies, but they're not quite affordable yet. Affordable means that we probably have to pay a little extra for it compared to fossil fuels, but we can have our industrial societies and welfare societies, even though we have to pay this few percent extra.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Mogensen.